Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy stocks within the Cash App. Okay, so here we are within the Cash App. This is an app that I use every single day. It's basically like a separate wallet. You can connect your debit card to your bank accounts, transfer money back and forth to this wallet. They also have a card where you can make purchases, and you can get some nifty discounts using the boost feature below the card. They also have the main section where you can send peer-to-peer payments back and forth to people, and the new investing section where you can buy and sell stocks and Bitcoin. As you guys know, I do an experiment on my channel where I buy $1 of Bitcoin every single day, and they've just added stocks into the app, so I'm excited to dive into this, see what it's all about. And actually on my other channel, linked down in the description, I'm going to do a similar experiment where I buy $1 of stocks every single day. So definitely be sure to check that out as well. So here's the brand new stock section. It says investing is for everyone. Start investing in your favorite companies with as little as $1. So you scroll down, it kind of has a watch list, and you can tap on these companies in the watch list, and this is where you would buy and sell their stocks. So let's go back. Keep going through this homepage a little bit to get familiar with it. They have the most traded monthly, so these are the most traded stocks for the last 30 days. And if you decide that you want to follow one of these, you can tap on it. I can tap the follow button in the bottom right corner and follow this company. Also, by the way, this chart looks like this, I think because stock market is only open certain hours of the day. So this is kind of like the progression of the day as it opens. And below this, they have more information, share price, company value, symbol, that type of stuff. If I go back and scroll up, we'll see that Microsoft is now on my watch list. So that's one way to add a company to your watch list. Below the most traded monthly, you can see the biggest daily movers. So these are the companies with the biggest changes of the day, whether it be up or down. Let's go ahead, get right into it and buy a stock. So I'm just gonna buy Tesla. So tap on Tesla, we've got the details here. It's going kind of sideways for the day. Going up on a week view, up on a month view, kind of steady over a year, and up quite a bit for the lifetime. To buy this stock, what I would do is tap buy, and then it's gonna give us these options. So I can buy any of these amounts, or I can tap the three dots and type in my amount. I'm just gonna tap the X. We'll tap buy again, tap $1, tap next. I'm just going to say we need a little more information to complete your first purchase. By continuing, I confirm that I am a US resident, 18 years and older. I've read all of the stuff. I'm going to tap continue. I'm going to have to fill out a little bit of information here. We'll skip through this. It should take like 10 seconds. Not affiliated with a brokerage firm. Basically, this means you're not a bigwig where you hold shares at a company. Tap correct. Type in my PIN. And it says that I have been verified. So here's what it's showing me. Confirm that you want to buy $1 of Tesla stock. Funding source, Cash App, market order, approximate share price. Approximate shares, and I get 0.003. So that's interesting. That's the big thing about Cash App. Normally, when you're purchasing stocks, you have to buy an entire share. So if a Tesla stock is $354, normally you would have to pay $354, but Cash App allows you to buy partial shares. So you can kind of mix it up and easily buy a little bit of whatever stocks you want. I'm just going to say the symbol Tesla, total purchase amount $1, no fees, total cost $1, and I'm going to tap confirm. So there we go, I've purchased $1 of Tesla just like that easy. You can see now in the top right corner, I have $1 of Tesla. If I tap on that, it's going to say this is the total value of your investment. So that was going to give us a little bit of more information. It's going to say my investment, $1, total gain. So I'll be able to track my gains and losses right there. I'll be able to track all of my activity for this stock down here. Now let's go back. So this is going to show kind of my stock portfolio now that I've purchased $1. Now that I own a little bit, it's going to start showing and tracking my portfolio. This is really cool. I'm excited for this. I can't wait to do this experiment on my other channel. Definitely check it out over there. So we're going to get the daily view, the weekly view, the monthly view, you know. It's going to track over time. I don't have anything going on right now just because I just did it. But I think this is going to be really cool to be able to sort of build and track a portfolio this way. Now that I own some, it's given me some more details here. We still got the watch list. And if I want to just search and add a company to the watch list, I can do that in the top right corner. Just tap the search bar. Then I can search their name or ticker. So let's just search Amazon. I'm going to tap on Amazon, and then I'm going to tap follow. So now I should be following Amazon as well. It should show up in my watch list. And close this out. Scroll down to my watch list and there's Amazon. So you can go through and add all of the companies that you're interested in that way. But yeah, that's it. That's how to buy stocks within the Cash App. It's super easy. Let us know what you guys think, or if you have any questions down in the comments below and I'll try and answer those. Definitely check out the Cash App playlist if you're interested in this or the Bitcoin section of the Cash App. I'll go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint, tap confirm. And there we go, I've purchased $1 of Bitcoin for today. If you want to see more of this experiment, I've documented the entire thing over 275 days worth, so definitely check that out as well. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last, so go